Hello everyone, welcome to the series on AI Agents Beyond Jupyter Notebook, and we are making a good progress. In the previous video, we have added session or memory to the agent so that when you receive a new request on the Telegram route, you can fetch the previous conversation and add it into the current query to the agent and run it so that you can always have the context of the previous chat history. Now, in this video, we are going to add a very interesting thing called hooks. Now, hook is a thing that helps you monitor the agent run. For example, when the agent run is started, when the agent called the tool, when tool responded, when the agent execution ends, all the things that agent does, you can monitor those things via a hook. So let me go to the official documentation, and somewhere if I go to agent, and here we can see lifecycle events of the agent or hooks basically. Okay, so if I look here into agent's hook section, we have these much hooks, runtime hook and agent hook. So when agent is started, when it ended, when handoff happened, when tool start, tool end, LLM start and LLM end. So in order to utilize all these hooks, we need to create a class that implements these methods and do whatever we want there. And then we need to add that class into the main agent. So very quickly, let's add those things. For that, I'll just clear everything, and inside agents folder, I'll create a new file called hooks.py, and here I'll add a few amount of code very quickly. What we are doing, we are creating a class which basically inherits agent hooks. On start, we are printing that agent started. On end, we are printing that agent ended, and I'm at this point printing very interesting thing, that token uses. So let's say you want to save the token uses here. You can do that because you get the context. From the context, you can get the user ID, and for that user ID, you can save the consumed token from this part. You can do the same thing on tool start and on tool end as well. So once you create this class, you need to go to main agent, and here you will have hooks, and you can add this hook. I'll say from src.agents.hook import weather hook, and I'll give that here. And when I save this, now I made it correctly. It was, I fumbled there for some time. Now let me save this. Now this is saved. Let's go very quickly to the Telegram agent, and here I'll say, hi, what is the weather of Gandhinagar? Let's say Ahmedabad, so that it can run the tool as well. Ahmedabad, and let me hit this. The interesting thing is happening here. You can see we received this query, hi, what is the weather in Ahmedabad? And you can see this part, agent started. The first thing is tool call. These are the tool argument passed, and tool call is completed. This is the tool result. Okay, and when we call the tool, this much tokens were consumed, and finally agent has done all the things, and these much tokens were consumed to summarize all the information. This is how you can add hook into the agent and monitor all the events of the agent. I guess this is it from my side for this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. In case you have any query regarding the steps I have followed into the code section, get back to me in the comment section. I'll surely try to help you. Finally, if you like the content I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.